Hi, boys and girls. Let's take a look at this problem. It says to rewrite the division problem on the whiteboard, solve, show all of your work. We have this problem of 544 divided by 32. All right, in order to solve this problem, we need to rewrite it so that we're using our division house, that division symbol. And 544 is going to be our dividend, and our divisor will be 32. Okay, so now I have it set up. This is how you should have set it up on your whiteboard as well. If you did not, erase your work and set it up the proper way. Now we need to look and see how many times can we put 32 into 5. Well, that's not going to work, is it? We can't put 32 into 5. How about 54? Can we put 32 into 54? Sure. 54 is larger than 32, so we can put it into 54. All right. Now, I don't know my 32 facts off the top of my head, so I might have to do some scratch work. I might have to do some trial and error. Let me draw this line here. So over here, I'm going to do some of my calculations, my trial and error. So I'm going to take 32, and I'm going to think, well, 32 times 1 is 32. Let me see, what if I multiply it times 2? Because I need to get to 54. Let's see. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Ooh, looks like 64 is too much. So I'm only going to be able to put 32 into 54 one time. Notice that I put my quotient of 1 above the last digit that I'm working with, which is 54. All right, let's multiply. 1 times 32 is 32. I'm going to subtract to find the difference. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is also 2. Okay, I'm going to check my work. I'm double checking to make sure that I did my calculations correct. And also, I also want to take a quick look at my difference. If it's less than my divisor, then I should be on the right track. If it's more, then I need to up my quotient, but it is less, so we're going to stay with that. Okay, I need to bring down my next digit of 4. And now I've got to repeat my division. So I'm looking to see how many times 32 can go into 224. Well, let me go back to my trial and error. And I'm going to say 32 is close to 30. And so I know that 30 can go into 200 about 6 times. So I'm going to try 7. Let's try 7. If it's not the correct one, we can adjust it. So 7 times 2 is 14. Carry my 1. 7 times 1 is 21, plus 1 is 22. Oh my, look there. I noticed right away. 7 times 32 is 224. So 32 is going to go into 224 7 times. Had I not gotten this answer, if it was too low or too high, I could have adjusted how much I multiplied the 32 by to see what the product would have been and compare it. But this ended up being perfect. So let's do this multiplying. 7 times 32 is 224. I want to subtract to find the difference, and I get 0 left over. So my final answer, my final quotient of 544 divided by 32 is 17.